Hi my angels, welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here and today I am here with a review plus a makeup look for beginners, and I was really amazed by the GUBB makeup brush set. So there are total 8 brush which I have used in this video, and I was absolutely in love because this is one of the brush set I have come across to which is perfect for beginners, and you can create a lot of makeup looks with this because this is such a versatile brush set that you can use all the brush set and create amazing makeup look. I was really amazed that they have kept all the brushes which is important, and you can use this in 2-3 different ways which I am going to show you in my makeup looks. And if you want to know more about the GUBB makeup brush set, these total 8 brush set, then you have to keep on watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys already know, I'm going to be using all the GUBB makeup brushes and I'm super excited to do my makeup with this. This is how all the 8 brushes looks like. And first I'm going with this brush right here. This is a foundation brush. I'll be applying my primer with this. It's very easy to spread also. Next, with the same brush, I'm picking up my foundation and I'm just going to dab this in. And the best part is the brush is not soaking away all the products. It is actually distributing it quite well on my face. And now as you can see, my foundation is done and it's looking pretty amazing. So I've worked with the GUBB makeup brush, which is the foundation brush. And now I'm going to apply the concealer with the same GUBB brush. And as you can see, I'm just doing the tapping motion. And now I'll be using the GUBB powder brush, and this feels really amazing. It is super duper soft, and if you guys don't know, GUBB is a 100% cruelty free brand. But these are very high quality brush and it is very beautiful. And now I'm going to pick up the powder. This actually does not lead to any wastage. It is amazing. Whatever and how much ever quantity you need, this is going to pick up only that much and you'll be good to go with your makeup. And trust me, it is super soft as well. Next, after setting my face, I'm going with this angular brush. I'm going to use this brush for my contour as well as I'm going to even use the blush with the same brush. And this, you can see, this has picked up a good amount of product that is needed for my face. And you can see this is perfect for contouring as well. I love brushes which are multifunctional and this is one of them. The brush I have used for the foundation, I absolutely love those kind of brush for using my face packs or even the clay mask. These brushes are really amazing. It really helps you in a lot of things, not only makeup. See how beautifully this is helping me contour my face. And I'm picking up a little more product on the sides. So this will help me go on the nose for the sharp contour. This is looking really nice. So I'm done with the contour. Now I'm going to apply the blusher with the same brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit, and you can see the brush has picked up a lot of product, but there is not a lot of wastage or fallout in here. And as you can even see, this brush has evenly distributed the color of my blush, and that is how beautiful it is looking. You don't really need to pick up a lot of product and keep rubbing against your skin. You can see how beautifully with just a swipe it is giving you the desired amount of the blush on your cheeks. And now that is it for the face. I'm going to apply the highlighter later on, but now I'm moving on to my eyes. For that I'm taking the GUBB eyeshadow blending brush. Again, this is very soft and it has a little domed shape, so it is perfect for your crease. And I'm picking up a little bit of transition shade in this brush, and I'm going with this on the crease. It is super amazing and blending it quite well. And with the same color, I'm just deepening up the outer V and taking it along the crease line. And now I'm taking this rose gold shade with the GUBB eyeshadow brush, and with this I'm just going to apply this, and I'm applying it on the lids area. Again, picking up the previous brush and blending the edges out. With the same eyeshadow brush, I'm even picking up the same brick brown and applying this on the lower lash line to smoke it out. And with the same brush, I'm even smudging out the kajal. As you can see, I have already applied the kajal. And next I'm going to use these two brushes for my brows. This is actually an angular brush. I am going to fill up my brows with this, and this is going to help me comb and stay in place. So as you can see, almost my eyes are done. I'm going to apply the mascara. So after using the mascara, I have combed through with this mascara brush, and this actually separated all my eyelashes, and it's looking really nice and natural. And now again I have picked up the eyeshadow blending brush from GUBB, and I'm going to apply my highlighter with this. And next I have my lip brush. I'm going to complete my makeup by applying the lipstick. guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. It was achieved really beautifully with all the GUBB makeup brushes right here, and I am in love with this because it has all the 8 brushes, which is very convenient to create many makeup looks. And I am really amazed that they have actually kept in mind all the important brush a makeup artist or a beginner will need, and I was really happy. The first one is a powder brush. Then you can see there is an angular brush. You can use this for your contour and the blush. Even you can use this foundation brush for your primer application, and even if you are like me and you love using your brush for any face pack and mask, you can surely go ahead with this. There is a blending brush which absolutely helped me while I was applying my eyeshadow and even the highlighter. Then there is another brush which is the eyeshadow brush. It was very amazing. I did not have to go with my finger to apply the eyeshadow, and it did a perfect job, and it was really nice, and it did a very precise work. And then there was a mascara brush. I have used this for 2 things, like for combing my brows and even separating my eyelashes after applying the mascara, and it was amazing. My eyelashes are looking really natural as well. And then there was a lip brush. I have applied my lipstick with this, and even if you are doing the inner corner highlight, you can even do that. I did not do it, but if you're doing it, it is perfect for you. Then there is an angular brush. It was absolutely amazing even for filling up my brows. So I absolutely love how beautiful and versatile all these brushes are, and I hope you are going to enjoy this brush as well as I did. So I recommend this brush set. You can just go and get your hands on it. I have all the links given in the description box. This brush kit is originally priced above 1k, but right now you're getting in discount, which is 899 rupees, and even you have the coupon code which is flashing right here. So you're getting a 10% more on top of the 899 rupees. So you can see, and the discount code is GUBB10. And yeah, that's it. I am highly recommending this product to all of you. This is amazing. It is a very versatile brush kit. If you are looking for a very affordable, cruelty free, this is like 100% cruelty free. It is washable, it is very durable, and even these brushes promises less wastage of your product, and the product is even hypoallergenic. As I said, I have recommended this product to all of you, and if you get your hands on this, do comment down below and tell me what's your experience with these products. And that's it for the GUBB makeup brush set. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.